Welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for the HR competitive exams. You may get confused about which package you need to subscribe. Here you can find different packages or validity courses like 1 month validity, 2 months validity, 3 months validity. So if you're already preparing since quite long or exam will be held in 30 days, then go with 1 month validity course. It's like just polish your knowledge before exam. If you want to start preparation from scratch or from basic level, then go with 2 months or 3 months validity course, depends on your need or exam date. This is all about BHEL ET HR 2022 online crash course demo. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!